Welcome back to the Citizen Data Academy. This video is the third in our Living in Baton Rouge module. We'll show you how to use our lookup tools in the EBRGIS portal. You can access all of the tools by left-clicking on Lookup Tools in the menu on the EBRGIS homepage, or you can jump into each tool individually from the drop-down menu. This page is a compilation of maps designed to answer common questions from the public in a quick and convenient way. We briefly mentioned these tools in the Introduction to Open Data module, but now let's explore them in greater detail, starting with the Census Lookup tool. This web app has census records dating back to 1890, where you can click on a census tract or ward and find detailed census information. We recently added data from the 2020 census, and more data will be included as soon as it is made public. You simply select the decennial census you want to explore from the list in the top right, then click on a census tract or ward in the map. The pop-up box will display its population, and you can access further detailed information by clicking the View link. Our Council District Lookup tool is designed for users to quickly determine which of the 12 Metro Council districts an address is located in. Simply enter an address number and street name, keeping in mind the search tips listed here below, then hit Submit. Wildcard searches are executed so that even a partial street or address number will return a list of results containing the values entered into the search fields. We recommend you apply the less is more principle if you're unsure of how to spell a street name while using a lookup tool. As an example, I can find the council district for Lake Sherwood Avenue even if I only input part of the address. The tool queries our street name layer and shows the results for each address from your search, including the district number and a link to that council member's website. The search results can be sorted by column in ascending or descending order. Many of the lookup tools have the option at the bottom of the page to export your selected data in CSV format, like this. The Jurisdiction Lookup tool is designed for users to quickly determine if a location is in either the city limits of Baton Rouge, Baker, Central, and Zachary, or within the unincorporated area of East Baton Rouge Parish. It works in exactly the same way as the Council District Lookup tool. Simply enter an address number and street name, and the search results will show the jurisdiction of the location. The jurisdiction of the unincorporated areas is listed as parish. With our Property Lookup tool, you can find detailed information about any property lot in the parish. Users can search by street address, subdivision name, business name, NAICS code, or lot identification number to find detailed information about the property. Enter the required information and click the adjacent button. I'll show an example of all 5 search options. Remember, our lookup tools are designed so that you don't need to know the complete information of what you're searching for. Just enter what you know for sure, and you can find the desired listing in the search results. For example, let's imagine that I want to find information for a certain property on Lafayette Street, but I don't know the address number. That's not a problem. The lookup tool will pull all the properties on Lafayette Street, so I can find the one I'm looking for. Click on either link in the search results to access a details report of the property. These reports contain over 40 details for each property. By clicking this link, you can view the property in a map window. There are also links that define the codes for zoning, existing land use, and future land use for each property. This property is zoned for business as part of the Downtown Development District. Some addresses have multiple properties on that location, separated in the report by this pattern. This address has 45 different properties. You can print out this property details report or export it in CSV format. As an example of the other search functions, you can search by subdivision to look through all the property records in Terra, or search by business name to get information on all businesses with McDonald in the name. The North American Industry Classification System is a standard classification of businesses by type of economic activity. Our finance department assigns a NAICS code to every registered establishment in the parish. We can open the link here and type in the code to pull records for every gas station. There are currently over 180,000 legally recorded properties in the parish. Our department assigns each one a unique lot identification number, and you can use this to search for a property, such as this lot at City Hall. The Road Closures Lookup tool lists all current and planned road closures throughout the parish. This data is maintained by the Traffic Engineering Division of the Department of Transportation and Drainage. You can click on the hyperlink of each closure to view additional details and a map of its location. Our Sales Tax Domicile Lookup tool is designed for users to quickly determine which sales tax domicile an address is located in. This tool functions in the same way as the Council District and Jurisdiction Lookup tools. The search results display the sales tax and hotel tax column for the specified address. The Street Block Range Lookup tool allows you to quickly find the low and high address block ranges for each segment of a particular street, as well as the owner of that street segment. You can export the results as a CSV file. If you cannot find a street name, need additional help, or want to report errors in our lookup tools, please contact the Department of Information Services at 225-389-3070 or send an email to gis@brla.gov. We will work with you to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, where we showcase some of our story maps found in the EBRGIS portal.